Yo, yo, what's going on with your boy Capital K in the house, looking dapper, doing my goddamn thing. I want to welcome you guys back, and I want to introduce myself for the first time. I am Capital K, artist, rapper, and producer extraordinaire, and this is my channel where I talk about nothing but music, music, nothing but music. So, on my channel is where I make beats. It's where I talk about music, business, stuff like this. Is when I talk anything. So speaking of music business, shit, I got my tie on, looking real spit. Hold on, wait, let me kill you niggas. Hold up, you see that? Killing. Cause it's time to talk a little business today, and we talking about something that's very important to me. Let me pull this shit back just a tad. Something important to me is Spotify is actually going public. And for people who may not know what going public is, it means you taking a private company and you taking it public, right? So you say company like just say like your store in the corner, right? A corner store, something like that. That sell probably your cookies, candies, and all that garbage stuff like that. That's a private company, right? But public mean you taking it to the stock market and all that stuff like that. You're opening it up and you're letting people see like your financial records, your stuff that you're doing in house, what type of decisions and stuff that you're making. So that's what it means to go public. So Spotify, like, they was a company where they didn't have to share any type of financial information. Now that they're going public, they have to let people know, hey, this is how much money we made this year, last year, this month, this quarter, and this is what we expect to earn and all that, blah, blah, blah. So that's what means going private to public. So uh, I'm very excited about this because, I mean, you know what I'm saying? It basically gives me, as a musician, it gets me in on the action. You know what I'm saying? Um, so yeah, man. Without further ado, man, let me give you a little rundown of what you guys should expect when it's coming out and when it's whenever. So as of the recording of this right now, I'm gonna probably release this a little bit early so I can be on time so you guys can know what's going on, so you guys can be informed. So um, it's actually hitting the stock market and becoming public April 3rd. April 3rd, 2018. That's when it's going to happen. So by my calculation, as I'm doing this, maybe about 2 or 3 days. So that's enough time for you guys to probably open up an E-Trade account, any type of Schwab or anything like that, or just Google search anything where you can buy stocks online and stuff like that. So, and what they call a ticker. A ticker is like the stock name price. So they wouldn't use Spotify, the whole thing. They're just gonna use an abbreviated term that just say Spot. Just like with Snapchat, they don't have Snapchat. They just say Snap. Facebook, just FB. You know what I'm saying? So you get it. Just a little abbreviation. So that's the ticker name. April 3rd is when it's coming out. So it actually has a lot of private investors already uh, invested in the company. So we already know that, Spotify, they basically been bleeding money, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, they have been profiting too because, they have 71 million subscribers as of right now, today, 2018, right? In March, as of right now. It might grow, whatever. Well, it's definitely going to grow after this. So that's what they doing right now. Got 71 million subscribers, and on private markets, they was selling their stock for $132.50. And what that means is, private markets is like, okay, you got an investment firm, and what they're saying is, okay, we want to buy a piece into Spotify, and the Spotify is saying, okay, cool, we're gonna sell one share of this company for $132.50 to Joe. That's like, what they sell on private markets, which put them at the value of $23 billion. So now that they open it up, they don't really have a price right now. That's what's really interesting. They don't have a set price to say, hey, this is what we selling it for. We selling it for $13, $20, 16, whatever. You know what I'm saying? They just basically coming out saying, let's say, uh, we're gonna let the activity of the market actually determine what's going to be the price. So the price might come out. Y'all might look on the price. It might say $10 when it open, and it might close at damn near like $100 or something like that. So I would tell anybody, man, just to get yours, get your account, get your E-Trade, whatever the fuck, and get a part of this. So, what other points I got here? So back right now in 2007, since they opened up their financial records, man, and they made everything public. This is what the financial records have to say. It says that they lost. They got a $5 billion profit and then a $1.5 million loss. So, which ain't too bad right there, because that 1 billion, that goes into, you got to pay your people, you got to pay your lights, you got to pay your bills basically. And the biggest thing is you got to pay the record labels, and the record labels, pay the artists if they if they feel like whatever's in your contract. But for the most part, that money that they getting is going to the money that the loss is in the 1.5 billion, man. Most of that is going to the labels, and that's how they pay for things like that. And if you're an artist, y'all want to come down on Spotify and say, hey, Spotify, you should be increasing your money and increasing the stuff like that, But, I mean, it's a business, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't just look at Spotify and be like, okay, drop your money, because we ain't making money. It's like, yo, bro, we ain't making no money either that much, man, But they still profitable. They still doing things, but they want to open it up so they can make more money. So, with the record labels, you know how greedy they are and stuff like that. So, like I told y'all, there's no set price and stuff like that for it. So, and when it comes down to these artists and stuff like that, what's very interesting is what they got the price point. I don't know with this going public, is it going to increase the actual pay rate that they pay the artists and pay the labels and stuff like that, right? So as of right now, if you want to make $1 on Spotify, you have to get 250 plays just to make $1. Which ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? Which ain't bad. So I'm wondering, like, the more money they get, where they probably make it like, hey man, it's only gonna take 200 plays to actually make $1 here on Spotify. So that will be more of an incentive for more artists to release their music exclusively, and also to record labels telling them to we're gonna get in bed with you guys because you guys are paying the most money, because you're making more money, because you got people like me that's gonna be invested, and other people that's gonna be giving them more money on top of the $10 that they say per month, with the subscriptions and stuff like that. So anyway, man, that's just the lowdown right now, man. I will keep you guys posted. I will keep you guys informed too. So once it hits the market, I mean, I'm gonna be all over it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be coming back with an analysis to say, what's gonna happen in the future and what's going on right there. And I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated. But once again, man, this is Capital K, man. This has been another convo with your boy Capital K, and I'm here. I'm with your mom, and I gotta go. All right. So anyway, man, rate, subscribe, view me. You love me or hate me, don't matter, as long as you say some shit. So check out some other videos on my channel, and hey, thank you. All right.